The weight gain isn't your fault. In fact, your body is doing exactly what it was designed to do during menopause, but no one warned you. Today, we'll break down the misunderstood science behind menopausal weight gain and how to finally outsmart it. Your body has a secret it's been hiding from you, the metabolic code that changes everything after 40. You've noticed it already, haven't you? The stubborn weight that clings to your midsection despite your best efforts. The fatigue that wasn't there before. The frustration of doing everything right, but seeing everything go wrong. This isn't just about getting older. It's about a fundamental shift in your body's operating system that no one prepared you for. Let me pull back the curtain on what's really happening inside your body during perimenopause and menopause. Your metabolism is undergoing a complete restructuring that most doctors never fully explain. They're trained to treat symptoms, not to optimize your metabolic health during this critical transition. Your metabolism functions like an engine that's been secretly rewired. As you approach menopause, it doesn't gradually decline, it dramatically shifts. Research shows a metabolic plummet of 250 to 300 calories per day during menopause without any changes to your diet or exercise routine. This shocking drop means you could be eating exactly the same foods, doing the same workouts, and suddenly your body stores an extra 2 to 3 pounds of fat every month simply because it's processing energy differently. Understanding this metabolic cliff is the first step toward reclaiming your body. Hold up. Before diving into the exercises, understand that these moves are absolutely critical. Rushing in without grasping the underlying science means you'll miss the entire transformation. This isn't just another workout video. It's a roadmap to reclaiming your body's potential after 50. Take a deep breath, stay focused, and let me break it down for you. The diet industry compounds this problem by selling solutions designed for younger women with completely different hormonal profiles. Low-calorie diets, endless cardio, intermittent fasting. These approaches might work temporarily for a 25-year-old, but they become metabolic poison for a woman in perimenopause or beyond. Your metabolic change occurs because of a sophisticated hormonal shift driven primarily by declining estrogen and progesterone levels. These hormones function as metabolic regulators that influence how your body processes and stores energy. As they fluctuate and decline, your metabolism responds accordingly. During menopause, your body's starvation detection system becomes hypersensitive. This ancient survival mechanism evolved to protect women during times of famine, ensuring they had enough fat stores to support reproduction and survival. In our modern world, this system works against you. When you restrict calories, the standard advice from most diet programs, your body perceives danger. It doesn't understand you're trying to slim down. It believes there's a famine. Your body responds by triggering emergency fat storage protocols, particularly around your midsection, where it can protect your vital organs. Your body becomes like a protective parent who's grown overly anxious. It constantly scans for threats and overreacts to even minor stress signals. That 1,200-calorie diet? Your menopausal metabolism interprets it as an emergency and responds by slowing your metabolic rate, preserving fat stores, and breaking down precious muscle tissue for energy. This creates a vicious cycle. You eat less, so your body burns less. You exercise more, so your body conserves more. Your frustration with lack of results spikes cortisol, your primary stress hormone, which signals your body to store even more abdominal fat, like trying to extinguish a fire with gasoline. Scientists now recognize chronic dieting as creating a biological emergency state. Your body doesn't distinguish between intentional calorie restriction and actual starvation. This explains why yo-yo dieting becomes particularly damaging. During menopause, each cycle makes your body more efficient at storing fat and less willing to release it. This metabolic adaptation creates a hormonal storm. Rising cortisol from both dieting stress and menopausal fluctuations triggers insulin resistance. Your cells become less responsive to insulin signals. Consequently, more of what you eat gets directed into fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. This explains why weight loss often comes from your face, chest, or limbs everywhere except your midsection. Your body stubbornly protects that central fat deposit as evolutionary survival insurance. The connection is clear. Declining estrogen creates metabolic disruption. This disruption creates stress, increasing cortisol. Elevated cortisol causes insulin resistance, promoting fat storage. And traditional weight loss methods accelerate this entire cascade. The conventional weight loss methods actually make you gain more belly fat after 50 because they trigger emergency fat storage responses in a body that's hormonally primed to protect its energy reserves. The more aggressively you diet and exercise in conventional ways, the more your body fights back with sophisticated hormonal countermeasures. That's the metabolic conspiracy. No one discusses the harder you push with traditional approaches, the more your body resists. You aren't doing something wrong. You're following the standard advice. The problem is, this advice fundamentally misaligns with your new hormonal reality. By the end of this video, you'll learn the 5 well-structured routines just for you. But first, I want you to pause the video, give it a like and subscribe. YouTube sees it as a positive signal and pushes it to more people. By doing this, you'll help more women discover solutions for their struggles. Thank you. Your body is losing muscle mass right now, whether you realize it or not. While most women obsess over calories, there's a metabolic master key hiding in plain sight: protein, the control center for your entire hormonal ecosystem during menopause. But what if I told you the standard recommendations are setting you up for metabolic disaster? The protein equation is about to change everything you thought you knew about transforming your menopausal body. This is a game changer. No, really, this is going to change everything. Let's get something straight. As you transition through menopause, your protein needs dramatically increase. Yet paradoxically, most women actually reduce their protein intake during this critical period. They switch to salads, smoothies, and light meals that barely contain enough protein to maintain basic functions, let alone support a changing body. This creates a perfect storm for metabolic decline. Your body is silently losing muscle at an alarming rate between 3 to 8% per decade after age 30, and without adequate protein, this loss accelerates dramatically during menopause. Think of your muscle tissue as both the engine and the fuel tank of your metabolism. Each pound you lose means fewer calories burned, even when you're doing absolutely nothing. Protein is essentially the building material for your body's engine. Without enough of it, your metabolic machine begins to break down, part by part, with no materials to repair itself. This muscle loss is the hidden saboteur behind the notorious menopausal metabolism crash. Unlike fat tissue, which primarily stores energy, muscle tissue is metabolically active 24 hours a day. When you lose muscle, your resting metabolic rate plummets, creating the perfect environment for fat accumulation, especially around your midsection. Here's what most doctors won't tell you. The standard protein recommendation of 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight is woefully inadequate for women navigating menopause. Research indicates that menopausal women should be consuming between 1.2 grams of protein per pound of lean body mass. That's nearly double what most women typically consume. Protein works its magic in multiple ways. It stabilizes blood sugar levels without triggering insulin spikes, reduces cortisol production, the hormone responsible for abdominal fat storage, and provides the raw materials needed for every metabolic function in your body. It's time to take control of your menopausal journey. You have more power than you realize. Now, let's talk practical application. For a 150-pound woman, that target is approximately 120 to 150 grams of protein daily, a level that becomes manageable with the right approach. The key is distributing protein evenly throughout the day, rather than loading it all into dinner. Your body can only efficiently utilize about 25 to 35 grams of protein at once, so aim for 4 meals containing 25 to 35 grams each. This approach optimizes muscle synthesis while providing sustained energy throughout the day. What does this look like on your plate? Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. 3 eggs with Greek yogurt delivers about 30 grams right out of the gate. For lunch, a palm-sized portion of salmon with a side of lentils easily provides another 30 grams. Afternoon snack? Try cottage cheese with nuts for another 15 to 20 grams. Dinner might include a chicken breast with quinoa for your final 30 grams. Plant-based? You'll need to be even more strategic, combining complementary proteins like rice and beans, or considering a high-quality supplement to meet your needs. Women who optimize their protein intake report dramatic improvements in sleep quality, skin elasticity, stronger nails, and enhanced cognitive function. This makes sense considering protein provides the building blocks for neurotransmitters that regulate mood, focus, and memory, all aspects that typically decline during menopause. This protein-focused approach fundamentally shifts the hormonal conversation inside your body. Proper protein intake signals metabolic pathways that favor fat burning over fat storage. It's like flipping a biological switch that tells your body it's safe to release stored energy rather than hoard it. Beyond protein lies an even more powerful hormonal catalyst that directly communicates with your genetic machinery. The exercise most women avoid during menopause is precisely the solution to the metabolic decline they're desperately trying to prevent. While the fitness industry has been steering you toward endless cardio sessions, science now reveals that heavy resistance training is the true fountain of youth for your aging body. Heavy weights are a hormonal reboot system for your menopausal body, yet most women walk straight past the weight room, intimidated by the clanging iron and muscular figures. This avoidance comes at a steep price. You're missing the key to reversing aging at the cellular level. Take Margaret. After 2 frustrating years of daily cardio and calorie restriction that left her exhausted and still carrying stubborn belly fat, we completely reversed her approach. We cut cardio to twice weekly and introduced heavy compound lifts 3 times weekly. Within just 14 weeks, Margaret lost 18 pounds of fat, gained 4 pounds of muscle, and saw her energy levels soar, all while spending less time exercising. When you lift heavy weights, your muscle-building satellite cells spring into action. These specialized cells, essential for maintaining muscle mass, are regulated by estrogen. As estrogen naturally declines during menopause, these cells become less active unless stimulated through resistance training. The weights serve as direct compensation for dropping estrogen levels, fundamentally rewiring your body's hormonal responses. Strength training delivers transformative benefits for menopausal concerns. For bone density, which typically drops 10 to 12% during menopause, women who incorporate heavy resistance training can reverse age-related bone loss by up to 8% in just 1 year, rebuilding skeletal foundation while simultaneously reshaping body composition. The metabolic advantages are substantial. Heavy lifting creates excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, meaning your body continues burning calories long after you've finished. Your muscle tissue becomes a metabolic engine, requiring more energy even at rest. Research confirms this. Postmenopausal women initially burned 19% less energy during exercise compared to premenopausal women. But when scientists accounted for lean body mass differences, that gap disappeared. Your muscle mass, not your age or hormonal status, drives your metabolism. Strength training specifically targets dangerous visceral fat that accumulates around organs during menopause. This metabolically active fat, hiding within your abdomen, increases risk for metabolic syndrome and cardiovascular disease. Heavy resistance training effectively mobilizes and reduces this dangerous fat store. Your muscle tissue functions as an active endocrine organ. When stimulated through resistance training, it releases compounds regulating metabolism throughout your entire body, creating a natural pharmacy that produces hormones and regulatory molecules supporting metabolic health. The hormonal benefits extend beyond fat loss. Heavy resistance training increases production of growth hormone and testosterone, both of which naturally decline with age. These hormones are crucial for preserving muscle and maintaining metabolic function. Lifting weights signals your body to keep producing these youth-preserving hormones. Resistance training also improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood pressure, addressing the heightened cardiovascular risk accompanying menopause. The fear that lifting weights will make you bulky is unfounded for menopausal women. Your hormonal profile makes significant muscle gain virtually impossible without extraordinary effort. An effective strength protocol focuses on progressive overload with weights heavy enough that you struggle to complete 8 to 12 repetitions. Prioritize compound movements, engaging multiple muscle groups. The goblet squat transforms this daily action into a metabolic powerhouse that engages your quads, glutes, hamstrings, quads, shoulders, and upper back simultaneously. Feel the confidence surge as you strengthen the muscles you depend on constantly. This exercise earns 5th place because it builds essential lower body strength while reinforcing movement patterns you use throughout your day. Your menopausal body responds better to comprehensive movements that engage multiple muscle systems at once. For movement number 4, consider how many women avoid upper body training entirely. The modified push-up preserves chest and arm definition while protecting vulnerable joints. This exercise is particularly valuable during menopause as it maintains upper body strength without requiring advanced fitness. Like training wheels on a bicycle, this modification lets you build strength progressively while achieving visible results. As we strengthen your upper body, we move to number 3. The deadlift. This exercise functions like a structural support beam for your entire body, strengthening the posterior chain, your back, glutes, and hamstrings. Its true power lies in improving bone density precisely where menopause makes you most vulnerable, your spine and hips. The deadlift helps prevent the stooped posture and fracture risk that accompanies aging. In 2nd place, the overhead press addresses how shifting hormones cause shoulders to round forward. Like an architectural support column, this movement directly counters that tendency while sculpting elegant shoulders that look beautiful in everything from tank tops to formal wear. The overhead press improves posture in ways that become increasingly crucial with each passing year after menopause. Our number 1 essential movement is the rowing exercise. This claims the top spot because it targets the exact muscles most affected by dropping estrogen, the metabolism-boosting muscles of your upper back. These muscles transform your silhouette. I put a lot of effort and time into this video. If you find it valuable, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It will help a lot. By doing this, YouTube will show this video to more women who might benefit from it, allowing you to help others as well. Click on this video now to access our menopause playlist. We cover everything you need to know: exercises, diet plans,